For our first example, we want to find the difference quotient for f of x equals 3x minus 7. So here our difference quotient, so we're thinking the f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. There are times where I'm going to change the name of this function f to g or h, but the process is still the same. Just replace this f with g or h, whatever it happens to be. Probably not h because we already have an h there, but sometimes I'm careless. So remember, this x plus h says replace every x with x plus h. So this is going to be 3 x plus h minus 7. X plus h, we're replacing this x with x plus h, and we end up with 3 times x plus h minus 7. So that's f of x plus h. This is where we have to be careful. We're subtracting this entire function. We're subtracting 3x minus 7. And then we're dividing by h. We just need to clean this up. We've done the hard part already. 3 times x plus h is 3x plus 3h minus 7. Distribute this negative, so minus 3x plus 7. And then we have to divide it by h. This is the thing we have to pay most attention to. We're subtracting this function, so this negative needs to be distributed to each piece. What happens here is your x's go away. Your constants go away, and we're left with just 3h over h, which is just 3. What is always going to happen if you do this right is your numerator is always going to have an h you can factor out. Okay? I want to say that again. If you do this process right, the numerator is always going to have an h that you can factor out all the way through. And in this case, we got 3. So again, you're one step away from doing calculus. And we'll save that step for a couple of weeks from now. Really, yeah, a couple of weeks from now. It will be very quick for us to get to this point, but you're one step away from calculus. So don't be scared. You guys got this.